for day 2, a day 2 intro. I'll open that up. So to recap day 1, we went through the motivation for version control, mainly all the ways you can lose code if you don't have good history. And then on GitHub Web, we made our own copies of a public repository. We committed stuff and we made pull requests. And those are basically some of the common operation kinds of things that you'd see. So for day 2, it's similar, but instead of working via a web browser, we clone from GitHub to our own computer. We do the same kind of things. We make commits, we make branches, we push, and so on. Then, since it's on our computer, we can inspect history in more detail to see how to figure out stuff in the past. And then we figure out if you have a new project on your computer, then how you would prepare this for Git and push it somewhere, and a bunch of practical advice. Yeah,
Yeah.
anything else to add to the intro?
No, I think that's it. Maybe I will just answer one of the questions we got regarding yesterday. And as I was a bit rushed when explaining it. So the question is, why do we need tags? So why not, why tags at all? So usually we can identify to a commit by either using the hash of the commit. If that commit is the top of the branch, then we can refer to it via the branch name, although that will change once we push a new commit to that branch. So one convenient way to refer to a certain commit, so a certain copy of our repository at a given time, is by introducing yet another reference to a commit. So then when I say, okay, look at this commit with, I know this really long hash, I can just say that, okay, check this commit with the tag, I don't know, version 1.0 or anything. So it's like a more kind of a better easier to read version name simply. So and this is especially useful if you are if you are developing a code and then you want people to refer to certain versions and be able to cite certain versions when they are using that in their paper. So referring to a version, to a tagged version, it's maybe better than, it's not better, but it's just more readable simply. Yeah, anything you want to add, Richard? Sorry.
Not really. I think that was a good thing to answer, and yeah, let's go. So
Okay,
should I
so
switch to your screen?
then yes, please do so.